This video will show you how to auto-transcript text in Capcut Mobile online completely for free for a smartphone. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to auto-transcript text for Capcut Mobile is to open up Capcut, again for iOS, Android, or phone. Basically, you want to click New Project, or this icon right here. The third option in Capcut Mobile, which says Text, which is next to Audio, and then Effects. Now you want to click the second option, which says Auto Captions. If I do scroll to the right, there is also a text to audio, and different ones like Auto Lyrics. I'm going to click the Auto Captions. Sure. Again, it's generating from the video. I have different options, but they're all pro. Templates, if you want, you can scroll, choose a free feature, unless if you do have a pro, you click one of them. Once you're happy or satisfied, click generate at the bottom screen for Capcut Mobile to generate auto transcription text completely for free. The auto transcript text, you can click on the screen and click this at the bottom right, actually adjusts the text and you can move it up or down. Capcut Mobile, you can even click the second option. Click on the text. As you can see, you can click style, second option, adjust the style, things that are trending, and change the word, the glow of the text, font, style, etc. And once you're happy or satisfied, click the plus or the check at the top right. If you want, you can export this by going to the top right hand screen, this download icon if you're happy, or say this is the before. The test for the auto transcript text in Capcut Mobile, free video editing software for iOS and Android and smartphone completely for free. This is the after. The test for the auto transcript text in Capcut Mobile, free video editing software for iOS and Android and smartphone completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.